And the first question is, how do you want to be perceived? How do you want to be remembered? What do you want to be remembered for? You can't really control the circumstances, but you can change your perception. You can control your perception, which means that you can influence your circumstances. How can you stand out through perception?
Brands are constantly morphing. We're constantly changing. We have to be flexible in today's market because things change so fast. So we have to not be too attached to what we do today, because maybe tomorrow we have to slightly morph things.
When I speak at conferences, my goal is to leave the audience inspired to take action. I want to create ripple effects because I know if I can leave people excited to implement, it will not only positively impact them, but also the people around them. Whether I share my thoughts on brand strategy and how to shape your perception, or culture hacks and how to create a workplace where people can perform and love to work, or on how to be more courageous, I always make my keynote super practical, not just sharing theories. I want the audience on the edge of their seats, and I want them ready to up-level.